LegalZoom Online Incorporation Services App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Online Incorporation Services app aims to simplify starting a business, but most people assume incorporation requires expensive lawyers and endless paperwork. The surprising truth is that the app walks entrepreneurs through LLCs, corporations and partnerships with step-by-step guidance, making formation easier than ever. One major pro is simplicity. The app handles state filings, EIN registration, and operating agreement templates, reducing the risk of errors. For example, a new business owner can complete an LLC formation online in under an hour, without navigating confusing government websites. Another advantage is support. LegalZoom offers optional attorney consultations for questions, giving users confidence without the cost of full-time legal services. The platform also provides ongoing compliance tools like annual report reminders to keep businesses in good legal standing. However, there are cons. For complex multi-state operations, mergers, or special business structures, the app may not provide sufficient guidance. Users relying solely on templates may face legal gaps in intricate situations. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Online Incorporation Services app is an excellent tool for small business owners seeking an affordable, guided approach to starting and maintaining a business. While not a substitute for specialized legal counsel in complex cases, it streamlines formation and compliance for most entrepreneurs.